Hello guys, welcome to our channel, where I show you how to breathe new life into an abandoned car. Today, I'm going to be tackling a real challenge, an abandoned Corvette that's seen better days. As you can see, this beauty is in need of some serious work. First things first, we need some new body kits. It'll be good as new. Let me know also in the comments what car you want to see it next. Now this car needs some new wheels. I am gonna put some concave wheels, because it always looks cool. We also need new paint job. Now it is time to set the suspension. Just realized that I forgot to change the color of rear spoiler and tint the glass. Now it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe and like to help growth of this channel and to don't miss any new updates. So bye, have a nice day. We will see you next time.